How does one survive in the Badlands? The rugged Badlands of eastern Montana may seem to be barren and hard to live in for most. This landscape, however, allows for a diverse range of wildflowers to flourish, speckling the Badland with bursts of color and beauty. Wildflowers are more than just an aesthetic splash on the landscape, but actually help animals survive here. From pollinators to herbivores, even humans have used these plants for generations. Some of the flowers you can find here include pasque flower, prickly pear, yucca, coneflower, rubber rabbit brush, Mariposa lily, showy milkweed, prairie sunflower, Missouri milkvecht, prairie rose, Hood's phlox, sweet clover. So let's highlight a few of these plants and talk about their historical uses. The described uses in this video are based off historical use. We are not recommending them to be used as medications nor as treatment for any underlying conditions. Conduct ample research before using any plant for any purpose. Makoshika State Park is not responsible for the misuse of any plants or plant parts. A favorite wildflower at Makoshika State Park is the pasque flower, commonly called crocus. Pasque flowers bloom in early spring and can create extensive natural gardens. Homeopaths have used various species to treat a wide variety of ailments, from nettle rash to anxiety. The prickly pear is a common cactus in Montana. The flowers vary from lemon yellow to peach color. The fruits, as well as the fleshy stems, are edible. American Indians used prickly pear juice to treat burns and diabetes. The yucca is an abundant, easy to identify plant with sharp green leaves, white flowers that open in the evening in June and July. For centuries, yucca plants have served American Indians for a variety of uses, which include using the pods as food, the leaf fibers for rope, sandals, and cloth, and the roots for soap. Yellow rubber rabbit brush is a tough, silvery leaf shrub often mistaken for sagebrush, until fall when zesty yellow flowers brighten the prairie. Rabbit brush is a drought-tolerant plant, thus it is well suited for much of Montana. The twigs, leaves, and stems have been used as treatments for diarrhea and stomach cramps. Prairie coneflower, also known as the Mexican hat, is a wonderful, native, drought-resistant prairie wildflower that blooms from midsummer into fall with a cheery display of graceful daisies that attracts butterflies and bees. An infusion has been used to treat headaches or has been used to draw the poison out of rattlesnake bites. Wildflowers have been used for generations to benefit people, but the relationship goes both ways. You can help benefit wildflowers in Makoshika State Park by watching your step, treading lightly, and staying on trails. Be respectful of pollinators, such as bees, because they play a vital role in the life cycle of these flowers. Please refrain from picking flowers while in the park, so others can admire their beauty and they can continue to help the ecosystem. Also remember the principles of leave no trace, and if you stop to smell the flowers, be careful. What is your favorite wildflower? Tell us in the comments below or post some pictures that you take while hiking. Have any questions about any of the flowers we talked about in this video? Or maybe some we didn't cover? Put those in the comments too, and we'll get to those during a Q&A on Tuesday, May 12th. Happy Wildflower Week from Makoshika State Park.